Technical analysis is the study of market behavior with the goal of predicting the trend of the market. The Japanese candlestick chart analysis plays an important role in this. The approach can be used to trade equities, futures, commodities, and currencies. There are three basic premises to technical analysis, including efficient market hypothesis, prices move in trends, and history repeats itself. Efficient market hypothesis. Changes in demand and supply, economic data disclosure, political events, new policies, and investor psychology could all influence and be reflected in the price. In other words, factors that affect the market price will eventually be reflected on itself. Prices move in trends.
If you want to watch the full version of the video, you can go to TradingLive or download the TradingLive app. Share it to your friends and learn for free.